Hi everyone, this is Arctic. So this is my first video, and it's a series of I want to do a lip gloss and lip scrubs and all these lip products, but with the most cheap way. So here I'm showing what I have. Oh, by the way, today we're trying lip gloss with Vaseline and without versagel, I think it's called. I don't know, excuse my English. It's not my first language, so sorry. Here I have the pigments, everything. I keep everything on this box. Yeah. So this consists on me trying these cheaper ways to make lip gloss and tell you if it's worth it or not. Okay? So the idea of this channel is to try things. Okay, so for this series I'm gonna try lip things the cheaper way and tell you if it's worth it, and if I see people like it and all that, so we'll keep going. So I wanted to make clear that all these experiments I'm doing, they are for my own, I'm not gonna sell these lipsticks and I'm not gonna sell anything because I'm new to this world, to this lip gloss world, and I want to learn, and you guys can help me also. You can give me tips and all that. So of course I'm gonna make mistakes. I don't know nothing about this, and everything is for me. I'm gonna use it because everything is natural and it's not like something that's gonna harm me or cause me any allergic reaction or nothing. So I'm gonna start by, of course, desanitizing everything. It's desanitizing the word? I don't know. This is kind of a podcast, I think. I talk and you guys see the video, and yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cleaning my tubes, of course. I clean them with soap. You can clean them with alcohol, anything you want. And I got all these products in AliExpress, super cheap, but of course they are not the best quality, but I'm just doing experiments for me, so I don't need super quality tubes or super quality products. Okay, so starting with the experiment, I'm gonna use half a tablespoon of Vaseline. I'm not gonna microwave it. I don't know why. I thought I would like more of a thick consistency. I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You're gonna see throughout the video that I don't have measurements. I just keep adding a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, so I'm mixing. So I'm gonna use oil. The oil that I choose is coconut oil. I'm gonna microwave it, okay? And I'm gonna add the essence and the pigment to the oil. I'm gonna use this pearl pigment. I think it's beautiful, but something I'm gonna say is that when it's mixed with Vaseline and the Vaseline is kind of whitish, it turned out not very good as I thought, you know. It's like shimmery. It's not shimmery, it's like pearl, you know. So I mix everything, and as you can see, I like the consistency, like it's thick, and you're gonna see later I'm gonna put more aloe vera gel, I'm gonna put a little bit of more oil. I'm gonna keep adding a little bit of everything so I get the consistency that I like. So this is how it turned out. I don't like the color, like I like it, but it's weird, okay? So now I'm gonna put it in this big tube so I can put it in my lipstick tube. Okay, so I bought a tube, like a kitchen tube. I think it's used for the chicken or the meat, I don't know. And it was a fail because everything was falling apart, and you know, we learn from mistakes. So now that I filled it with the product, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna put like a little sticker with my name. Just it's not the best thing, but you know, it makes a difference. So with the left product that I had, I added pink pigment. So it turns out like this milky pink. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna use these different type of tubes, and I'm gonna fill them. Okay, so giving my review, I think it's a cool way to do lipstick and a very cheap way, but it's not the best. I felt like it's very runny, like it's very oily on my lips, and it feels like water. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's good, but I don't think it's the best. Okay? So, hope you like it. Subscribe and tell me what do you want to see next time.